Let's examine code example 2.6 from the book Computational Thinking and Social Science. The task on this example is to calculate the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on until 10. And it's a fairly simple program. Let's go it step by step. And when we are calculating this kind of sum, we need to have a variable that represents the sum. For simplicity, let's just put sum is equals to 0 at this point of time. Then we want to print out the sum in the end of the program. And here I'm using the pass command to combine this text with this number over here. And this is already something that we can run. And as you can see, the sum is 0 because we haven't done any calculations yet. Let's now start to think about the calculation, and we want to have something that starts from 1 and goes to 10 and iterates over that series. So we use the for structure for this. So I'm saying that let's go over every number between 1 and 10 and assign each of them at a certain time as current number. And to actually see how this is operating, let's just put the here and helping sort of printing that shows what's going on in the program. So we can now run these lines. This should say current number, not the sum. The sum is always 0 because we actually haven't touched the sum at any point of time. So let's try again to run this. So we can see that it prints out the current number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it goes through all the numbers from 1 to 10. The sum is still 0 because we are not touching the sum. We could say that sum is current number. And now if we run this like this, now it's 10 because 10 is the last current number. So what we actually want to do here is to say that the sum equals sum plus current number. So it first current number is 1, sum is 0. We go to sum plus current number, so 0 plus 1, and assign that to be the sum. So sum is now 1. Then because there are still things to go through, we go to the second thing and continue to iterate over this. So we assign now current number to be 2. So sum plus current number. Sum was 1 from previous round and current number is 2. So sum is now 1 plus 2, 3, and we store it into the variable sum. Then comes number 3 because we are again in the end. And as we continue in this kind of way until we are finished. And when you run this, the sum is 55. And it still prints out each of these lines correctly. So this is the idea how you iterate stuff in R. Few important observations. First, you see that for the for you use brackets in this kind of way to indicate that in what area, from what to what you are iterating over, and what is the name of the variable that you want to iterate over. So this could also be I or J or K. I call it current number because it's fairly easy to understand what's happening there, and it makes it easier. Then you see these curly brackets over here. They show you how far or what things we are iterating over. So this shows us that these print lines this print line and this sum line here are the things that we are doing over and over again. These are the things that we are repeating because they are within the curly brackets. I also use intention here. It's not actually mandatory. The program will run also without that intention correctly. but it just makes it easier to read when everything that's inside curly brackets is a bit more indented within the system.